it's come to my attention that the only way to get views anymore as an animator is to upload story time videos. So I'm gonna tell you a story about the time I was robbed and killed by a car in a car accident.
Alright, man, I gotta go brush my teeth. I'm gonna go to bed. You don't have any teeth. Well, somebody's gonna get their goddamn teeth brushed.
I'm gonna mug you in your house, dude. I'm in your house. I'm gonna mug you.
Oh no!
Hand over your cheeseburgers, or else I got a knife. I'm gonna shoot you in the butthole with a knife.
Oh, thank goodness, I'm saved.
What are you talking about? Nobody's gonna save you. Give me those cheeseburgers, fat boy.
The ASMR police are here. You're done for, cheeseburglar.
Oh no! This is the police. Open up. You're surrounded.
Hey, dude, check this out. Here, man. What's it? What? Wait. Peekaboo.
Oh god. Oh, it's just you.
Hey man, you wanna play the slap game? Oh yeah, dude, that sounds pretty fun. How do you play? Oh, okay, so first you hold your arms out. You hold your arms out like this, right? Yeah, just like this. I gotcha. Yeah, and then when I move my hands to slap you, you gotta try to dodge it, okay? Alright, yeah, sounds fun. Okay, I'm ready. Don't you ever challenge me in my home again.
It's a smash hit.
God damn, I love selling mangoes.
Yoink!
Hey, what the hell? Get back here, you little squid piss. Or else what?
Or else I'll call the mega police. You wouldn't dare.
That's what I thought. Oh, holy shit.
You know what? I'm gonna go with Sweden.
Hello, welcome to Sweden. Do you want some fermented herring?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, follow me, we're going to IKEA.
Why?
Because it's where I live.
Oh, I don't want to be in Sweden anymore.
Hey man, what's up?
Childhood obesity in America. Oh, hey Mario, what's going on?
Oh, hey, Bowser. Just walking through the Mushroom Kingdom.
Yeah, me too. I was just going to check. Wait, do you hear that?
Me, Luigi!
Alright, it's time for the Easter egg hunt, little dude. Go hunt down all them eggs. But there's only one egg. Oh wow, you found all of them already. Quick, open it up and see what's inside. Well okay. It's filled with my poop, dude. April Fools, I got you. It's my poop. I took a poopy in it. You got pranked, dude. April Fools, dude. Up high, dude. Yeah. Down low, dude. Hell yeah.
Too slow, motherfucker.
Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to say that I need to. This is
Getting out of control.
Dude.
Also, I got a new microphone. Bye.
After you take away the bread, cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and mayonnaise, what have you got?
It's me, bitch.
Hey, loser.
Hey man, that's not cool. I'm not a loser.
Yeah, whatever you say, loser. Go kill yourself.
But
With kindness.
you look great today.
Wow. I'm Owen Wilson. Wow. Look at my stupid fucked up nose. Wow, I got kicked in the fucking face by a horse. Wow.